action is your bag, don't miss my greatest battle with a rocket-powered vulture. Even if I can save Jolly Jonah, there's nobody left to save old Spidey from becoming the vulture's prey. Have you ever been attacked by mysterious shadows? Shadows with a power to destroy you, although they themselves cannot be hurt. Where can I turn? Where can I run? What can I do when the dark terrors close in on me? No living menace is more unbeatable than Doc Ock. But when he also uses a deadly stolen weapon against me, how can one lonely little Spider-Man survive? Unless a miracle occurs, it's bye-bye Spidey in The Terrible Triumph of Dr. Octopus. Hopelessness is fighting a magician who can make mincemeat of my spider power. And when that magician happens to be the Green Goblin, you'd better not miss the battle royal that's coming up next.